Hi everyone, now I'm in the Xiamen Airport. I have a 19 hours layover in this city before moving to the next destination. As part of the benefit of taking this Xiamen Airline, they offered free 4-star hotel to stay for the long layover. So remember that when you come out from the security, after you pass through all the custom, you have to come here for the transfer inquiry and then ask for the transfer accommodation. So okay, we'll look for the gate 9. There will be the free transportation, the free bus to bring you to the hotel. So it's actually written here that you have to buy the bus ticket, which is a 15 yuan. Okay, so the bus is here. The hotel that assigned to me, to be honest, it really looked like a residential area. I don't really see any nearest transportation, and I don't see any restaurant. Well, anyway, it's free. I don't complain much. I'm looking for my room. This is my room. Okay, yeah, 2-bedded. Okay, come with the balcony. The one that I'm really concerned is the bathroom. Okay, this is the shower head. Seems quite clean. Hey, 你好。哦。我来。自动的。So I'm bringing my parents to go around Xiamen. Right now we are on the way to Zhongshan 步行街. Wow, it seems like a really busy one. Wow. Very unique. This is grapes americano, and this one is latte, just normal latte. 2 of these cost me 22 yuan. Arrived in Harbin Airport. You can see how good they are. They are so well prepared. They prepare all this changing room for all the travelers that come over to Harbin. Okay, right now the temperature outside is -8. I know that it's not that cold. but it could go down to -20. So that's the reason why you need to be prepared and then wear the very warm clothes that before going out. Let's see how it's inside. So look at that. The changing room, they even decorated chairs for you to sit, and then you can also change your shoes here. Very nice, very well considered. So the moment you come out from the custom, you have to go to the exit 7 to look for the bus ticket counter. Okay, that's the place that where you can buy the ticket to the city center. How many lines they have? I think it's 7 lines or 8 lines they have. Let's go to a different area, so perhaps you have to check the where to go. Hey, 好，谢谢。It takes about 15 minutes to arrive in the city center. Okay, so now I have to look for my hotel. Okay, this is the hotel that I booked. It's really close to this Harbin railway station. Wow, it's quite spacious. Okay, let's see the toilet. Okay, shower please. It's very clean. I think I pay 100 yuan. I just ordered 2 rice and such a big bowl. All these 3 and a beer cost 126 yuan. We also have this order.
Bye.